Do you like swimming?
Yes, I do. Swimming is one of my favorite activities.
Great. Let's go to the swimming pool together today.
Sounds good. I haven't been swimming for a long time.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, you will listen to a simple and natural English conversation about going to the swimming pool.
Are you ready to go to the swimming pool?
Almost. I just need to pack my swimming bag.
What are you taking with you?
I'm taking my swimsuit, towel, and swimming goggles.
Good. Don't forget your water bottle.
Oh, you're right. I always forget my water bottle.
You should also bring some sunscreen.
Yes, it's very sunny today.
Great. I think we have everything.
Let's go.
Wow, there are quite a few people here today.
Yes, but the pool looks really nice.
Let's find a place to put our bags.
Okay, I see some empty chairs over there.
Perfect. We can leave our towels there.
Should we change into our swimsuits now?
Yes, let's get changed first.
Okay, I'll meet you by the pool.
Sounds good.
I'm ready.
Me too. But let's warm up first.
Good idea. We shouldn't jump into the pool right away.
Exactly. Let's stretch our arms and legs.
Like this?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, I think I'm ready now.
Great. Let's check the water.
The water feels a little cold.
Really? I think it's okay.
Maybe I'll get used to it.
Come on, let's get in.
Wow, the water feels better now.
I told you.
Are you a good swimmer?
I'm okay. I can swim, but I'm not a professional.
Me too. I just swim for fun.
That's the best way to enjoy it.
Let's race to the other side.
Are you sure?
Yes. Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
You're fast.
Haha, I'm winning.
Wait for me.
Come on, swim faster.
I can't. I'm tired.
Haha, okay, let's stop.
I need a break.
Me too. Swimming is harder than it looks.
Yes, I'm really thirsty.
Let's drink some water.
Good idea.
Do you want to sit by the pool?
Sure. Let's relax for a few minutes.
The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, it's a perfect day for swimming.
I really enjoy coming to the pool.
Me too. It's a great way to exercise and relax.
Do you want to swim one more time?
Maybe for 10 more minutes.
Okay, let's swim slowly this time.
Good idea. I'm too tired for another race.
Haha, don't worry, I won't race you.
Thanks.
Let's swim around the pool together.
Sounds good.
This is really relaxing.
Yes, I feel much better now. I think it's time to go home.
Already?
We've been here for a few hours.
Wow, time goes fast when you're having fun.
That's true.
I need to take a shower and change my clothes.
Me too. Let's pack our things.
Don't forget your towel.
Thanks for reminding me.
No problem.
Did you enjoy swimming today?
Yes, I did. I had a great time.
Me too. We should come again next weekend.
Absolutely.
Do you like swimming?
How often do you go to the swimming pool?
Tell us your answer in the comments below.
And keep practicing English every day.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.